Okay, so multi-step equations, find your equal sign and dot it. What do we notice about this problem that is different than the other problems that we've had? Yes, sir. Two sets of parentheses, and he's absolutely 100% correct. There's two sets of parentheses, so guess how many times we're gonna have to do the distributive property? Two times. So I'm gonna do the distributive property here, so I'm gonna take the number in front of the parentheses and multiply it by the first term. So I'm gonna do 4 times x. There's not a number in front of that x. What number am I gonna use? 1. Remember, 1 is the only number that can be invisible. So I'm gonna put a 1. So 4 times 1x is? Then I'm gonna take the number in front of the parentheses again and multiply it by my second term inside the parentheses. So I'm gonna do 4 times -10 and get -40. Remember, this is negative. Do not write plus a negative. You're just gonna put -40. Bring down your equal sign. Are we okay to this point?
Yeah.
On the right side, we have the distributive property again, don't we? So I'm going to take the number in front of the parentheses, multiply it by my first term, so I'm going to do 2 times 4x, which is, of course, is at 8x. Take the number in front of your parentheses and multiply it by your second term, so I'm going to do 2 times positive 108. Am I going too fast?
No.
Okay. So 2 times 108 is 216, you said? Positive or negative? So I'm gonna put plus 216.
That was confusing.
So do you see that I did the distributive property on the left side, distributive property on the right side? Now notice we have 2 variable terms. Is the equal sign in between them? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So do I need to combine or get rid of one? And which one do we want to get rid of? The one on the right. So we want to get rid of it, like I got rid of that candy when I threw it at you to get rid of it out of my hand. That means we got to get rid of it. So how many X's do we want? How many do we want? If I throw them away, how many do I want? 0. So we're getting rid of them. This is positive, so I need to get them to 0 by doing the opposite. Remember, when you're getting rid of something, you want to do that positive, negative thing. Does this term have the x? No. Does this term have the x? So I'm going to write -8x underneath that. Circle your like terms. 4x and combine them. So 4x plus -8x is what? -4x? Bring down your -40. Your equal sign. Combine these like terms. And bring down your positive 216. Notice, we have a 2-step equation now, don't we? So we're going to stop. Go ahead, me too.